Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and we've got LG's new OLED model, the C8 series. We've got the 55-inch version here for you that we're going to unbox and show you what comes with it. So first things first, we have to cut off these straps that are holding the top of the box onto the bottom. So we get out our handy knife, cut through those, and in this video I'm not going to put my knife away until I cut through the tape also. So we've got that all cut. And we'll pop the top of the box open here, take a look and see what accessories are on the top. So the first thing is a pack of accessories, which I will open up for you in a moment. And there's part of the pedestal, it looks like. Yep, nice looking pedestal. It's kind of a brushed metallic look. It's plastic on the top here, but metal on the bottom. So it does have some weight to it. And next we've got some sort of a cover for something, it looks like. We'll find out in a moment. Yeah, it looks like this is probably a cover for some of the inputs and outputs, maybe? I don't know, we'll find out. And lastly, we'll just take the piece of styrofoam off of the top here. And what have we got here? Another piece. This was also an award winner at CES from 2018. We got to see it while we were out there in Las Vegas this year. And it looked pretty cool there. I'm hoping it's going to look the same here. This looks to be another part of the pedestal as well, just a wider foot that looks like it's going to fit onto that portion. So yeah, it was a great looking TV out in Vegas. I'm thinking we're going to have the same experience setting it up here to give you guys an initial look on this unboxing video. And from here, we just take the box off and some more styrofoam pieces. So we're going to take a moment here to get this actually set up on the pedestal properly, make sure we take it out of the box properly so we don't cause any damage to the screen. So stick with us and we will be right back. Okay, so we've got the TV set up on the pedestal. We were able to open up that little packet of accessories. So in that we got the remote control with the TV as well, which works really easily. And the picture we have up here on the screen is stunning. It's really a great picture. So that's the new 2018 C8 series OLED from LG. Make sure you guys stay tuned because, as you know, on this channel we do a product overview and we do some comparisons as well. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you haven't already so you get all those updates whenever we post new content, and thanks for watching.